Alright, hey guys, today I'm going to draw these ray diagrams for you and show you what it looks like when they're all completed. So basically, you're going to remember this phrase again both times. So you're going to do, first you're going to do parallel through F, and then through F and parallel. And when you do that, you'll get where the lines intersect, and then you'll draw your arrow that represents where your image will show up. So you always start from the top of your object. So I'm going to draw a parallel line. My ruler doesn't fit. Okay, there we go. Top of the object, parallel line to the principal axis. So here's my principal axis. So I'm going to just go up to the object, the tip of the object, and draw a parallel line. So parallel through F on this side of the lens, the other side, so the light goes through the lens and refracts. Then I'm going to go back to the top of the object, and now I'm going to go through F and then parallel. So I'm going through this side of the lens, right here, and then parallel. Okay, so you can see that the lines intersect. Whoops, can you see that? There you go. The lines intersect right there. So I'm going to draw an arrow starting from the principal axis all the way down to where the lines intersect. So you can see that this object first began after 2F. So it's beyond 2F is the object. While the image is inverted, smaller. This is smaller than this. If I were to measure it and really take care of my lines, this arrow is smaller than your object. And then if anything that's inverted is also going to be a real image. If it were pointing up, it would not be real. So inverted, smaller, and real. The next one says that the object is on 2F. On 2F. Well, same thing. You're just going to draw a parallel line through F, and then through F, back to your object, through F, and parallel. While you're doing these, it is really important to be as careful as possible with your lines again, like I say. So here's my intersection, and I'm going to draw my arrow where those lines intersect. When the object is on 2F, my image will also be on 2F. So it's on 2F. It is inverted. When it's on 2F, it's also the same size. So this is the same size as that. And if it's inverted, it is real. Inverted means upside down, okay? Then the next one says that the object is in front of 2F. So it's in between F and 2F. Between F and 2F. So, again, parallel through F, parallel. Oops, I don't like how I drew that line. 1 second. See, that's not really parallel. It's kind of going down, so I want to fix that. Actually, I'm going to fix this line too. Sometimes it's not perfect the first time. Okay. So there you go. This one is, okay, so it's bigger. This arrow is bigger than that arrow, if I were to measure it. It's inverted. When it's inverted, it is real. Okay, now the object is on F. So it is hard. So if we go parallel and then through F, we can do that line. But what we cannot do is through F, right? Because we're already there. So what I'm going to do is just draw one more line straight through the middle of the lens right here. And do you see how these two lines are parallel? Well, when that happens, when the object is on F, this is when there is actually no image. The light rays do not converge at all, so there's no image. Okay, so there's that one. And then moving beyond that, now we're in front of F. So we're gonna go same things, parallel through F and through F parallel. This one gets a little bit different too. So parallel through F. Okay, and then through F, I have to go through F still, but it's on this side. So I'm actually gonna go through F and hit the lens up here at the top, so you can't see the lens, but right there. So I'm gonna do this the best I can with hitting the top of the object. Okay, do you see that part? Then I'm going to bounce this one back this way and do my parallel line that way. So these two light rays actually converge over here, and this is now, this is my object. It's in front of F, in front of F. And what happens is when the light ray, when the object gets so close to the lens, the light rays actually converge back here, which creates a larger upright image, and anything that's upright is actually called a virtual image. And I'll post another video on real versus virtual. Okay, so that's it for now. Those are converging lenses.